Paul again here from EMD Automotive Mechanic. But Sydney, I've just got this my parts for this Cayenne Diesel. Just finished cleaning it. It's a lot of cleaning to do on this one here. Just gotta feel it, put your hand on it and you just feel it. A little bump or anything that's not really clean, you gotta clean it again. So that's the oil cooler. That's the housing for the oil. That's the housing for the oil cooler. So that's the top part of the housing. That's the bottom part of the housing. So I'm just trying my best to clean it because it's really dirty. And this is the actual front cover. That's the front cover there. And that's the nice and clean. Pretty much ready to actually, nearly ready. And still got a few little spots to clean, a little bit there. Just got to use a very fine lineage paper, or they call it sandpaper, very fine. Don't use the rough one because you'll end up damaging the actual parts you're cleaning. That's why it takes a while to clean it properly. So yeah, this is let me show you the car, the actual engine part of the car. Alright, we're here now at the engine, so let me take this cover off. Have a look at that. See the difference? I had to clean. Let me get that screwdriver. Before that was full of coolant, a hardened coolant from before. See there? Nice and clean now. I had to actually break it with a screwdriver and then clean it properly. Clean this part here. Clean underneath there, here as well. Still gotta try to get those stuff out. It's really hard to do because it's just a little valley. This is the front. I haven't finished cleaning the front, but I'll just show you quickly a look at the front. I've done the bottom, I've done the bottom already. Just gotta do the middle part upwards, and then I'll finish that. And then I'll go back to the actual assembly. Alright? Thanks for watching and please subscribe.